at this question, find the sum of first 19 terms of the series 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36 plus 7 by 144 plus 9 by 400 and so on. So as you can see, this is nothing but 2 square, this is 6 square, this is 12 square, this is 20 square and so on. So we can write this as 3 by 2 square plus 5 by 6 square plus 7 by 12 square plus 9 by 20 square. Okay, so and so on. So in series like this, we have to find a pattern, okay, so that the terms either cancel out or we have to find the generalized term. So generalized term in this series is not possible. So we have to work on a kind of a structure in which the terms get cancelled out. So how can we do that? So we need to like break the terms. Okay, so this is going to be nothing but 3 divided by 2 square into 1 square, okay, plus 5 divided by 2 square into 3 square. So this collectively will be 6 square. This is going to be nothing but 7 divided by 3 square into 4 square. Okay, so 9 divided by 4 square into 5 square. So now we have worked out that this is going to be nothing but this is suppose n, this is n plus 1, this is n plus 2, this is n plus 3 and it goes on. So in denominator we have found some kind of pattern, but in numerator we know that this is in AB, but we still don't know that how to proceed further. Okay, so we need to find something like we need to again break this numerator so that either the terms get cancelled out, okay, or we need to do like manipulate this equation, these terms, okay. So how can we do that? So this can also be written as 2 square minus 1 square, okay, divided by 2 square into 1 square, plus this can be written as 3 square minus 2 square divided by 2 square into 3 square. So if you would see, this is going to be 4 minus 1, which is 3. This is going to be 9 minus 4, which is 5. Similarly, this is going to be 4 square minus 3 square divided by 3 square into 4 square. So 16 minus 9, which is going to be 7 and so on. So this can be written as we can write this as 1 divided by 1 square minus 1 divided by 2 square. Okay, so if we take LCM, we will get nothing but this 1 square into 2 square. Okay, 1 second, let me use highlighter. If we take the LCM of this, we will get this, okay, and this 2 square will come here and this 1 square will become minus 1, okay. Similarly in this, if we take LCM, if we break the terms into plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square, the same thing is going to happen, that 3 square is gonna get here and 2 square is gonna get here. So we have successfully broken down terms, okay. So now the terms will start cancelling out. This is minus, so this is plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square and it goes on, okay. Now we have to find till where these terms will go, okay. So this is 1, 2 will get cancelled out, 3 will get cancelled out, so till where this will go. So we can use our the equation in our second step, that this is n square into n plus 1 ka square, this is n plus 1 ka square into n plus 2 ka square. So this is n plus 1, this is n, this is n plus 1, this is n plus 2, this is n plus 3. So similarly we have to go till 19 terms. So last equation is going to be nothing but 19 square into 20 square and 20 square minus 19 square. So we will be left with 19 by this 1 second, we will be left with 1 by 19 square minus 1 by 20 square, okay. So now let me do the workings here. So all the other terms will get cancelled out, like this is going to get cancelled out, this is going to get cancelled out. Similarly, 1 by 19 square is also going to get cancelled out. So what will be left with is 1 divided by 1 square, which is nothing but 1 minus 1 divided by 20 square. So this is going to be nothing but 1 minus 1 by 400, or this is going to be nothing but 400 minus 1 by 400, or 399 divided by 400. So therefore our option becomes option C. Answer becomes option C.